Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make calzone. This is a comfort food in Italy, a pocket food. People buy these in the streets and they eat them all day long. Anyway, it's so easy to make. Yeah, we're going to show you how to make these. They're wonderful. Traditional, especially East Coast. This is the East Coast ingredients, basically. Alright, let's get cooking. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is spice up our ricotta. Ricotta is kind of bland, so you want to give it some flavor. A little salt, some black pepper, and some parsley. And that's all it needs for the calzone. We're making your traditional calzone. You know, East Coast, Brooklyn style calzone. You know, today they're putting all kinds of stuff in these things, but we're going to stick to ham calzone or sausage calzone or just a plain old cheese calzone. And that's perfect.
Yeah, what most people don't realize, they want to order like calzones with like onions and peppers and mushrooms. Well, that has a lot of water in it.
That's true.
And you forget it. It makes a mess.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
Smarten up, people.
That's ready. All right, let's get our dough ready here. Now, you can get this recipe in the description. I'll show you how to make this beautiful dough here. These are just like 4 or 5 ounce pieces of dough. That's all you need. And just stretch with your hand. You can use a roller if you'd like, but hand works perfect. It's just so simple. This is definitely an Italian street food here. With a dab of ricotta. I like ham in mine, you know, so we got some nice Virginia ham here, or Black Forest ham actually. It's not Virginia. I was going to get that. Let's go ahead and lay that in there. And then some cheese. I blended up mozzarella, provolone, and fontina. Yeah, I blended up all those three. So you know, that's all it is. Perfect. Now you want to make sure you have enough room around these rims here because you want to seal the dough together because you don't want this the cheeses to leak out. So come evenly over here, all the way around. Okay, let me get my fork. It's like an apple pie. You just take a fork and you press down on it.
You can actually make an apple calzone.
Yeah, right?
Without the cheese. Yeah, man, just spice you up some apples and cook them a little bit, and you know, and then get the dough.
That's a nice recipe that'll be on the channel.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
See, that's it. All ready to go.
Beautiful.
Put a little hole on top.
How many of these did we make in the last 40 years?
All right. Put them in my tray right here. Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, let's do one more. I'll show you one more real quick with Jimmy's sausage. Mild sausage. Very simple. Yeah, in Italy they call it calzone, and that means pant leg. I'm not sure why they call it a pant leg.
In Spanish also, calzone means pants.
They say folds like a pant leg. Who the heck knows, right? Oh man, look at that. That's beautiful, right? Now I'm going to put some of Jimmy's sausage in there. Oh, plenty of sausage in there. Some of this cheese blend here. There we go. Fold it over. Give it a good press. You don't want that opening up, you know, while you're while it's cooking. So I see I got excess on this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut around, just trim it. You want to leave it at least a ½ inch to where the cheese is.
Make a garlic roll out of that.
Open up. Yeah, it's got to rise, right? And that's it. Calzone. You know, it's all about the dough. This is a New York style pizza dough, basically. You know, we used to make all our calzones and our strombolis using the same pizza dough. Now, this is just going to be plain cheese. Lots of cheese in there. Cut up. Trim it up. And press it down with the fork. See how easy that is? A little hole, and now I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Oh, look at those. How do those look?
Very beautiful.
All right, we got the oven set on 450 degrees. There we go. And we're gonna come back in about 10 minutes and check them out. All right, calzones are ready. Look at that, beautiful. Oh yeah.
Good. Smell good.
Oh man. I made some tomato sauce earlier. You can get that recipe on our channel. I'll have the link on the bottom of the description. Makes a great dipping sauce for calzones. Oh, look at that. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. All right, now let's go ahead and get a calzone. Put it on a plate. Oh yeah, look at that. Is that beautiful?
Very nice.
Oh yeah. All right, let's eat. All right, let's test out these calzone. I almost call them stromboli. Let's test them out.
I know I'm gonna burn my mouth.
Oh man. Very nice. I forgot to show the inside of that. See that? Nice filling. This has got the ham in it, I think. Something. It's got ham or sausage. I can't tell until we bite into it. Anyway,
Very good.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we will see you guys next time. Ciao.